the two apps for today are both safe apps that help us start our cryptocurrency investment. Before you invest, you must know what this is. The Supreme Court of India has completely legalized investment in cryptocurrency. So both the apps that I will be covering are completely safe, and you can make your first investment with as little as just 200 rupees. And once you're sure, very soon you would be looking at what should be your next investment, or setting alerts so that you know when is the right time for you to buy and sell further. So much is happening in this cryptocurrency world. Prices are skyrocketing high. Why not experience and get to know how can you grow your money? So let's look at the two apps for today. So this is the WazirX app that I was talking about, that I have downloaded from Play Store. Like I said, that you can invest from as little as 100 rupees, and then there is no limit. So, and you can watch your money grow. But then WazirX is one such cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. As soon as you download this app WazirX, it will ask you all your details. You have to register, you have to enter your bank details and everything. It's safe, it's private, it's registered, and also you will have to enter your KYC. But without entering KYC, you cannot buy and sell. At the bottom you can see there is an option of quick buy, then there is an option of exchange, there is an option of orders and funds. Go back to quick buy. Here these are all the cryptocurrencies that it is showing: Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and all these. So get started. As soon as you click on get started, here, because I have already registered my bank account details and I have already finished doing my KYC, I am able to buy and sell. So if you enter any amount, let's say 200, this is where you can buy and sell. Current balance it's showing as 0. Use my normal UPI linked to my bank to deposit, and I have already deposited something, but it is processing. Once this processing is done, I can buy and I can sell. Just by clicking deposit, you can deposit the amount. Same way you can withdraw as well. When you think the time is right, you can withdraw. Just click on any cryptocurrency and straight away buy it. The other cryptocurrency app that we are going to look at is the CoinDCX Go. This again is available on iOS as well as Android Play Store. So as usual, add your bank details. For new investors, there's information that you can about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tron, and various cryptocurrencies, and there's a lot of information on this within this app itself about how to go about, and also some information for beginners on Bitcoin and some security tips, etc. Very safe, secure. There is also a 2-step verification for your account for extra safety. There is a help facility within the app. As in WazirX, the prices can be looked at for all coins, and what is the trend and how much has it changed, and whatever investments you have. So it's going to show your investments, and then if you click on account, your own account and your details. Both the apps straightforward, very popular. It's hard to favor one over the other. Both these apps, CoinDCX Go as well as WazirX, are equally popular and are being used for cryptocurrency investments. June 2021 comes loaded with amazing apps that can do so many things. I will be selecting and sharing another 2 apps that this month of June has to offer. See you soon.